For the locks that I'm wearing is by Curlsqueen. They are textured Coily Loc extensions in a length of 8 inches and 0.6 centimeters wide. I love how it came with so many goodies inside the box. I got a really cute brush, a bonnet that is reversible, and it also gets really wide. So if you have long locks or thick locks, don't worry because your hair is fitting inside of this bonnet. It also came with some extra clip-ins just in case if I wanted to add those to the extensions for more security. Oh my god, these lock extensions are everything. They're soft and lightweight. They're human hair, so I was able to color them, which is a plus, and they're super easy to install and take out. First of all, let's not forget about how full they are. They come with like 10 extensions and I only used about 4 to 6 and they were still full. So if you're a lock girly wishing that your locks were a lot fuller, continue watching this video because I will show you how to change your life by installing these clip-ins. Right now I am coloring the lock extension so that it can match my lock color. For a full tutorial, you can click the link in my bio on how to achieve this red. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is prepping my hair. I like to prep my hair with some aloe vera water, oil my scalp, make sure that it's good to go for when I put my lock extensions in. This is something that I would do even if I wasn't wearing lock extensions. And here I'm just showing you the final outcome of my lock extensions and how the color came out. When you open up the lock extensions, you're going to have a clip-in on each side. I'm assuming that's why they gave us extra clip-ins, just in case if we wanted to put a clip in the middle. However, I didn't use any of the extra clips that they gave me because I felt like the extension was already secure the way it was. All right, so next I'm going to lift up my hair and leave out some locks in the back, and that is what my clip-in is going to lay on top of. I like to leave a layer of locks out in the back because if I was to put it up in a ponytail, it will look a lot more natural and it will not show the tracks. Next, I'm making sure that this track fits across the back of my head, and then I'm going to open up one side of the clip-in and secure that, and then I'm going to show you a close-up on how I secure the other side for it to stay. So you want to make sure that your clip-in is open to where you can see the comb. Then you want to take that comb and put it in between your hair. Once it's secure, you want to close it. You'll hear a click sound once it's secure, and as you can see, I'm rubbing my hand through it and it's not moving. This is what it looks like with one track. This is so easy that you're going to just be repeating the same thing over and over again. It'll be your natural locks and then the lock extensions, your natural locks and then the lock extensions. And you're just going to keep repeating that pattern until you get to your desired fullness. The purpose of adding the extensions is to give you volume and fullness. The purpose of putting your natural locks over top of the extensions is so that it can blend in seamlessly and look as natural as possible. So I wanted some extra volume just to frame my face a bit more. I added 2 more extensions on one row at the top of my head, and then after I add that, I'm just going to trim the ends of my hair, trim any straggly pieces or any long pieces of hair that kind of doesn't blend in with my locks, and voila! Look at me now. Like, look at the difference that 4 clip-in extensions made. Mind you, the bundle of hair comes with 10. So if I wanted to go big or go home, I could do that with these extensions. If I wanted a more dramatic look, all I have to do is just add more extensions. If I want less fullness, all I gotta do is take some out. But literally, I only used 4 and my hair made a huge difference. I am loving Curlsqueen. It gets no better than this. And to add the cherry on top, use my code BKI1 to save money on your order with Curlsqueen. Like I said, these are for the girlies who wanted to give up on their lock journey because they just wished their locks looked a lot fuller. You do not have to give up, girl. Just add in some clip-ins. And then when you're tired of the full look, you can take them out. If this lock extensions tutorial has helped you today, go ahead and comment Curlsqueen in the comment section below. If you were loving the outcome of my hair and enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate your support, and I will see you again. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you.